Porsche revives iconic upholstery patterns for classic and modern cars. Porsche is reintroducing its legendary Porsche, Pepita, and tartan seat fabrics, responding to strong demand from owners looking to restore classic models or customize newer vehicles. The move addresses a gap in the market. Previously, many aftermarket options were low quality and failed to match the original material's durability or appearance. Addressing a quality gap, Porsche Classic Director Ulrich Lutz explained that enthusiasts often struggled to find suitable replacements. Imitation fabrics frequently fell short in both feel and longevity, prompting Porsche to step in with its own high-caliber versions. The company emphasizes that the fabrics will not only match the original patterns and colors, but will also stand the test of time. Availability and options: the reissued fabrics are available for purchase online and through dealerships in sections measuring 4.9 x 6.6 feet, 1.5 x 2 meters. Porsche plans to expand the range further, offering even more colors and patterns in the future. This means that owners can now reliably source authentic materials for restorations or unique customizations. A look back at the pattern's Pepita debuted in 1963, having gained traction after being popularized by fashion designer Christian Dior a decade prior. Tartan followed in 1974, initially exclusive to the high-performance 911 Turbo. Pasha, the checkered flag-inspired pattern, arrived in 1977 and recently resurfaced in the 911 Spirit 70 edition. Porsche's decision to revive these iconic fabrics acknowledges the enduring appeal of its heritage designs, while ensuring that enthusiasts have access to authentic, high-quality materials for years to come. The revival highlights Porsche's commitment to honoring its past while continuing to innovate for the future.